Hello, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. We're going through the ETFs. You can say, why do we go through the ETFs? Well, there may be potential buys in there, but there's also another major reason to see what industry sectors are strong for potential buys of individual stocks, but also what industry sectors are weak, are getting weaker, and those are areas to avoid. That helps us. We focus on strength, so let's do it. Biotechnology was a leader. It's lagging right now. It's really nothing special here until it takes out right near here. And it's a lagging ETF. It's a lagging industry group. ARK Innovation was really strong last year, and it's lagging here. It's not really performing with the market. You can say, Patrick, how can I say that? How can I say that? You see this right here? This is ARK Innovation. Here's the spiders. All I know is this is hitting all-time highs, and this is well off all-time highs. There you go. That's why we do this. Continue onward here. Internet. Lagging, maybe forming a cup and a handle, but it's definitely lagging well off the highs. Again, you've got major indices at all-time highs, and this is lagging dramatically. See that? Continue onward. Biotechnology. Now that one's hanging in there near highs. Something to consider. Cloud computing is improving a little bit. Energy is just chopping around, not really in leadership at this point in time. Dow Jones Internet. Technology. Remember that word, technology. IBD 50 really lagging, underperforming dramatically. Gold miners lagging, leave it alone. Junior gold miners lagging, leave it alone. Gold lagging, leave it alone. I'll pause here and just share this with you. We don't need to overthink it like, well, maybe it's going to bounce back. Why go with maybe when we can focus on strength? This isn't strength. It's below the falling 200-day. Till it starts lifting, just leave it alone. Cybersecurity is strong and has been strong. Technology related. Biotechnology, maybe just kind of going sideways here until it starts to pick up through here. Not much happening. Okay, just a big flat base. Maybe it'll lift. Online retail. I like this cup and a handle. Takes across these tops. That would be great. North American technology. Look at this thing leading, and it has been leading. And guess what we're heavily invested in at Mission Winners? We own a lot of different technology stocks. Why? Because it's told us that's where the strength is. We just get in line with it. Medical, improving, looks pretty good here. Something to remember. Mid-cap, lagging. Be careful with that. Home builders was a real strong group, underperforming now. Fell on really heavy volume on Thursday. 50 days falling. Until it starts pushing up again, stay away from the home builders. Isn't that neat? I love this. Look at this one, IBUY. And I even put this note on there. Owns many of the big name tech stocks and max list stocks. And do you think this is why we're involved with a lot of the max list stocks? Yeah, and we've been riding them for a while. Airlines, in 1 second, what does that tell you? Stay away from the airlines. Done. Regional banking, in 1 second, avoid them. Done. You don't need to look at it any further. Mid-cap 400, still underperforming. Still, it starts really pushing above the 50-day. Nothing to do with it. Oil services was strong. It's underperforming now. I mean, folks, again, look at this and then look at the S&P 500. All-time highs. And the other's lagging. Go. Continue onward. Online. Software, still underperforming. Till it gets above this line, software's kind of lagging at this point in time. NASDAQ 100 near all-time highs. There you go. NASDAQ 100 non-leveraged near all-time highs. Cloud computing starting to improve. Technology related. Silver. It's tarnished. Leave it alone. Steel. It's kind of underperforming right now until it gets back above the 50-day. It's not really in a leadership position. Semiconductors are acting okay, near highs. Okay, that's good. Semiconductors, another one, leveraged, near highs. A little lagging, but not too bad. S&P 500 at all-time highs. There's power. That's what we need to know. SSO at all-time highs. Power. Solar. In 1 second, you know solar's underperforming. I'm moving on. Done. Small cap. In 1 second, it tells you stay away from small cap. Oil. Oil's trending up. It's leadership. Good group. Aerospace and defense, chopping around a little bit, okay? Not really a leadership position at this point in time. Biotechnology, another biotechnology ETF. In 1 second, leave it alone. Done. That's it. Just move on. Now look at this. Energy. Cimarex Energy. Look at this base here. That looks good. There's potential with this, okay? I think this is an individual stock, by the way, not an ETF. I'd have to check. Home builders, underperforming. I mean, this was a real leadership group for a while, and now it's underperforming. You say it might come back. Why play the might game when we can go in where there is definite strength and uptrends? Materials, lagging, nothing to do with it. Technology, and it's been leading for weeks. Folks, look at this. You can say, yeah, this is pretty good. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, guess what? I guess we'll be invested with technology. And we have been. Don't need to overthink it. Gas and exploration got choppy. Communications, technology related, doing okay. Energy, lagging, leave it alone. Financials, lagging, leave it alone. Industrials, starting to pick up a little bit. Okay, something to maybe watch. Consumer staples was strong, underperforming a little bit. Maybe it'll push through the 50-day, not extreme leadership at this point in time. Utilities, there's nothing here. Leave it alone. Consumer discretionary, check this out. This is a positive, folks. It's telling us that the consumer's okay. And we know that by looking at the individual stocks. Metals and mining, lagging, leave it alone. Retail, it's hanging in there. Oh, let me think here. Oh, yeah, that's related to the consumer. There you go. Software, near highs. Big company handle, technology related. There you go. And back to the top. In a very short period of time, what does it tell you? That there's strength in technology related areas. It's an area to focus on. And have we? Yes, we have.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.